In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to all slides in LibreOffice Impress. This is a quick way to keep your presentation on brand without copying and pasting a logo onto each slide. Start by launching LibreOffice Impress and opening either a new presentation or the file you're already working on. With the presentation open, go to the main menu at the top and choose View. We're heading into the area that controls the overall design of every slide. Next, open the Master view. Depending on your version, you can click Master Slide directly or go to View, then Master, and choose Slide Master. The Master is the template behind your slides. Anything you place here will automatically appear on all slides that use this master, which is exactly what we want for a logo. In the left-hand pane, you'll see a list of masters and their associated layouts. Select the primary slide master, usually the topmost item. That's the parent template, and it ensures your logo appears across all standard layouts like title slides, content slides, and more. Now let's insert the logo. Go to Insert, then Image. In the File dialog, locate your logo on your computer and click Open. For best results, a PNG with a transparent background tends to look clean and professional, but whatever format you have will work. Once the logo appears on the master, drag it to your preferred location, such as the top right or bottom left corner. Use the corner handles to resize it so it's visible but unobtrusive. Keeping it small and consistent helps your content remain the focus. If you want to preserve proportions while resizing, drag from a corner. Most versions maintain aspect ratio automatically, but check that the logo doesn't stretch. You can nudge it with the arrow keys for precise placement and align it with your slide margins to keep spacing consistent. To make sure the logo never blocks your slide text or any placeholders, right-click the image, choose Arrange, and then Send to Back. This places the logo behind other elements on the slide, preventing it from covering titles, bullet points, or charts. When you're satisfied, exit the master by clicking Close Master View on the floating toolbar or return to View and choose Normal. You should now see your logo on all slides. Any new slides you add that use the same master will include it automatically. If you ever need to adjust or replace the logo, just return to the slide master and edit it once. Save your presentation, and you're done.